Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create poster in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files using this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First, we are going to create a new canvas in Photoshop. I'll keep the size 1200 by 1800, resolution 150. Our canvas is ready. Next, I'm going to create a new layer and I'm going to create a solid background. So you can pick the color you want. I'm going with some kind of dark purple. I used a keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next, I'm going to create another layer. Now I'm going to pick a lighter version of the color I picked, which is bright purple. Okay. Now enable the brush tool. Select soft brush. Increase the size. And now I'm going to give a single click at the center. Fine. Now I'm going to bring in the stock image inside our canvas. So go to the folder you downloaded, open the first image in Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside the canvas. Now I'm going to resize the image using free transform tool, shortcut Ctrl T. Okay. Now we are going to create some random shapes at the bottom. For that, create a new layer. Go to color picker. Select any color you want. I'm going with bright green. Next, pick polygon laser tool and draw a triangle like so. I use a keyboard shortcut Alt backspace to create the shape. Next, we are going to create a duplicate copy of the same shape. I'm using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Now drag and bring the shape down below like so. Okay. Next, we are going to add 3D elements inside our canvas. For that, go to the folder, open the second image in Photoshop, drag and drop the image. Now I'm going to bring this layer below the stock image, main stock image, and I'm going to place it here. If you want, you can resize the image by enabling free transform. Here I'm not going to do it. I'm happy with this one. Next, go to the folder, open the third image in Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside your canvas, and I'm going to place it somewhere here. Fine. Next, we are going to create some random lines behind the stock image. For that, create a new layer. Select white color in color picker. Go to brush. Select soft brush. Hot brown brush. Bring the size down to 3 pixels. Okay, now enable the pen tool. Keep the option as path and draw as random lines like so. Okay, now right click, select stroke path, keep the tool as brush, simulate pressure remains disabled. Now click OK and click enter. Our lines are ready. Next we are going to create some random round shapes. For that, select create a new layer. I'm going to select the light green, the color picker, then go to shapes tool, select ellipse tool. By holding shift key, I'm going to create a perfect circle. I'm going to create another one here and another one here. Fine. Next we are going to create our text content. For that, create new layer, select white color in color picker, enable the text tool, and I'm going to type the text. Fine. Adjust this text position. Okay, our poster is almost ready. Now as a final touch, we are going to give some glow effect to the poster. For that, create a new layer. I'm going to select darker version of the color I used. For that, I'm going to pick a dark green, select brush, soft brush, adjust the size. Okay, now change the layer blending mode as color dodge. Now give a single click on the shapes so that we will get some cool glow effect. Next, I'm going to have some glow effects on those 3D shapes. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorial videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.